We open the right hand and extend it in a straight line till it comes to face height. Then turn your waist, and as you do, press down with the left hand and bring the right arm over to the wrist. Not on the hand, to the wrist. Keeping the hands at face height. Then sit back, turn to the right, keep the hands at face height, turn back to the front, turn the forearms so the palms are away from you, and then move your weight onto the right leg. Punch. Now open the right hand, extend it, turn to your left, press, move the weight to the back leg, turn to the right, stay on the back leg and sit. Turn the palms around and move the weight to the front. Punch, extend, turn, sit back. Remember, the left arm is doing wardle, so you mustn't turn too far. Then we turn back to the front and move the weight forward. Michelle will now demonstrate and we'll pick out any possible faults. One. Okay. Again. A little bit slow, should open the hand from now, open, turn the waist, and then as you're turning, this boards off. Okay, good.
No, but what I know my students do, they do this.
Yes.
Okay.
Are you going to do that now?
I'll do that. I'll tell you what I'm going to do.
Okay. So, she's leaning forward slightly. She should actually be upright and sink, and then just turn the waist. Release here, yes. So then, this arm will be in line with the leg, and then turn back, and then the forearms must turn while the weight's still on the back leg, and then come forward. Okay, good.